Hello students, today we will see Agile model. Agile is development process that emphasize customer satisfaction through the continuous provision of working softwares. Agile software development lifecycle model is a combination of iterative and incremental process model with the focus on process adaptability and customer satisfaction by rapid delivery, that means fast delivery of working software product. Agile method breaks the product into smaller incremental builds. These builds are provided in iterations, that means this is the iteration first, iteration second and iteration third. This product is breaks into smaller incremental builds. Then first build is in iteration first, and this iteration first contains 5 pages: planning, requirement analysis, designing, building and testing. After completion of iteration first, then iteration second should be started, it having same pages. Then iteration third is started, it also having same pages. Every iterations involve cross functional team working simultaneously on various areas like planning, requirement analysis, designing, coding, testing and acceptance testings. At the end of iteration, a working product is displayed to the customer and important stakeholder or customers. Agile models believes that every projects need to be handled differently and the existing methods need to be tailored to be best suit the project requirements. In Agile, the tasks are divided into time boxes like small time frames to deliver specific features for a release. Iterative approach is taken and working software build is delivered after each iteration. Each build is incremental in terms of features. The final builds hold all the features required by the customer. That means iteration thirds having all the features built hold all the features required by the customer. That means all customer requirements are covered in the last iteration phase. These are the iterations Agile model iterations. The Agile model is popular model in software development industries. It has dynamic natures and easy to perform. Agile model mostly recommended to making critical and risk based software. It is the combination of incremental model which is used in software development lifecycle, that is SDLC. Agile process is working in phases. It releases software after testing to check whether software quality maintained or not. It also provides full freedom to user to add requirement at any stage after release. That means it having iteration and iterations having some phases. At any stage, customers having freedom to add requirements at the stage or at the iterations. Then advantages of Agile model. First is customer satisfaction. This is very important because in Agile development, customer satisfaction is important. They can check software release and reward feedback. In Agile process, mostly meeting arranged before the product release and more interaction maintained with the developing and testing team in the Agile process. Customer can change and add requirement at any stage. That means modification is allowed in this model. It concentrates on every process with expert team members. It having good model for environment that changes, minimal rules and documentations easily and easy to manage. It having some disadvantages. Documentations could get lengthy. It is not useful for small project because it work only large projects and complex projects. It requires expert person to take important decision in the meeting and cost more as compared to waterfall and interactive models. It is not suitable for handling complex dependencies. Depends heavily on customer interaction, so if the customer is not clear, the team can be driven in the wrong direction. So it having customer interactions is important in this model. Then Agile principles. There are 12 Agile principles. Then first is highest priority is to satisfy the client through early and continuous delivery of valuable computer softwares. In this methodology, your priority is highest for satisfaction of the customer. Then second principle is accept changing requirements. That means welcome dynamic necessities even late in development. Agile process harmless modification for the customer competitive advantage. Even late development, agile process harmless changes of customer competitive advantages. Third principle is deliver working. That means operating computer software often from a pair of weeks to a couple of months within a preference to the shorter time scale. Fourth is business individual and developer should work along daily throughout the projects. The build comes around actuated peoples, offer them setting and support they have and trust them to work the task done. Then six is the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and with a development team is face-to-face conversion. That means face-to-face speech. Seventh is working software is the primary measure of progress. Principle number 8, agile process promote sustainable development. That means agile process promote properly development. The sponsor, developer and users got to be able to maintain and relentless pace indefinitely. Continuous attention to technical excellence and smart style enhance nimbleness. That means continuous attention to a technical excellence and good decision enhance the agility. Then 10th principle simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. Here simplicity is needed, the art of maximizing amount of work not done is essential. Then best architecture's requirement and design emerge from self-organization team. Most effective architectures, that is style, emerging from self-organizing or company groups. At the regular interval, the team reflect on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. These are the 12 principles. These principles in brief, but we will see this principle in very short. Then first is customer satisfaction, second is welcome changing requirements, third is deliver working software frequently, fourth is motivate individual, fifth is interactive frequently with stakeholders, sixth is communicate face to face, that means speech face to face, seventh is measure by working software, 8 is maintain constant pace, sustain technical excellence and good decision, 10th is keep it simple, and 11th is empower self-organizing team, and last is reflect and adjust continuously. These are the 12 principles of agile development, agile software development. Then politics of agile development. There are considerable debate about the benefits and applicability of agile development. In this agile development, all software technology arguments, this methodology debate risk degenerating into a religious warfare. If warfare breaks out, rational true ends and beliefs rather than facts guide decision making. With each model, there is a set of ideas that represent a significant departure from traditional software engineering. That means in politics of agile development, here set of ideas that represent significant departures from traditional software engineering. That here set of ideas is very important to representations of significant departures in software engineering. Then human factors. The scientists Cockburn and Highsmith said that agile development focus on the talent and skill of individual and modeling the process to specific peoples and teams. The process model to the need of people and teams. The agile software project team must have following 7 characteristics of software development. Then first is competence. Software development is about in competence, that means context, encompasses natural talent and specific software related skills with overall technical knowledges. Then second is collaborations. In this collaboration characteristics is about analyzing, assessing and using information that is communicated to the software project development team. Then team member must collaborate with each other to have a smooth development of software. Third is common focus. The team members may perform various tasks and bring different skill to the projects. All skill should be focused on goal, that is to deliver a working software to customer within a given time. Then fourth is decision making ability. The project team must be allowed the freedom to control its own destiny so they can take individual decision on various issues. Fifth is self organization. To get a number of technical benefits, the collaboration should be improved and team confidence should be boosted. The Agile project team organizes itself for the work to be done and proceeds to best accommodate its local environment. Then sixth is mutual trust and respect. The Agile software team must becomes the respect and trust which is necessary to make them strongly connected. And last is the fuzzy problem solving ability. The Agile software project team may continuously deals with ambiguity and change